What's going on, everyone? You're watching RD Motoring. This is my 2019 Chevy Blazer RS, and I want to talk about optional packages. Now, you can add on anything from storage packages to decal kits, but I want to talk about the driver confidence package. This package is $1,650, and it includes some of my favorite features of the car. LED headlights, safety alert seat, automatic emergency braking, wireless charging, rear camera mirror and washer, HD surround vision, and adaptive cruise control. First and foremost, the rear camera mirror is one of the best features offered on new cars today. Chevy's not the only brand that uses it either. All of GM's sub-brands have it, as well as Infiniti and Land Rover, just to name a few others. And I think it should be in every new car. With rising belt lines and stricter safety standards, cars are getting more and more difficult to see out of, especially through the back. This camera offers an unobstructed view, and paired with well-adjusted side mirrors, practically eliminates any blind spots. The only issue I have is if you're driving over a lot of dirt, or in my case now, salt from the winter roads, the camera will get dirty rather quickly. It does have a washer that you can activate by pushing forward on the wiper stalk, but that doesn't always work, and it usually leaves the lens blurry for a bit. The other important feature that's offered in the driver's convenience package is adaptive cruise control. Practically every new car has this as an option, so it's really not that special, but if your commute consists of long distances on the highway or even a lot of open back roads, this is a feature that is 100% worth it. I can't tell you how much easier it is just to be able to set a speed and not have to worry about changing anything, even if you start to hit traffic. Again, the sensors can get blocked if you're driving in poor weather, which will deactivate the feature, but you probably shouldn't be using adaptive cruise during something like heavy snowfall anyway. The package also includes HD surround vision, which is a system that uses multiple exterior cameras to show you a view of practically every angle. You have a straight down view with the camera facing forward and back. You can change it so it's just a full widescreen of the camera facing backwards or forward. You have this top-down view of either the front or the rear. You also have this cool third-person view of the front or rear. You have a camera for each of your tires, and you even have a view straight down from the top looking at your hitch. You also get the safety alert seat. This is a feature that will vibrate either both or corresponding sides of the seat to alert the driver. If you start to drift out of a lane, that side of the seat will vibrate to let you know. If you're backing out of a parking space or getting close to another object, it will also vibrate. Pretty helpful feature so you don't have to rely on screens or random beeps if something's happening. LED headlights are also included. Pretty self-explanatory, better headlights. Automatic emergency braking might save you from having an accident. And the wireless charging pad. It's honestly a bit slow, but it is nice not having to plug your phone in every time you need it charged. So do I think all this is worth $1,650? Absolutely. Just the rear camera mirror and adaptive cruise alone are worth it to me. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Is the driver confidence package something you would choose for your own car? I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd really appreciate you tapping that like button. If you want to see more, consider subscribing as I post a new video every week. Take care, everyone.